Kingdom tonight, and Caitlin's driving. We're in Animal Kingdom. First stop, Kilimanjaro Safari.
Couple of reminders: please keep your hands and arms inside the truck at all times. That makes sense. They like the forest. Charge their prey at 35 miles per hour, weigh 3,000 pounds.
We just went on the night safari. How did you like it, Caitlin? Wow, I can't even see your face right now.
Well, my face is here.
That basically explains how the safari went for the most.
But in the words of Kayla, there was a giraffe butt in our face.
Yes, the giraffe butt was right next to our vehicle, and that was really cool. And now we're gonna go see the Jungle Book show.
Woo! Jungle Book. The naked mole rat.
I'm not as impressed as she is, but I mean, okay. I would rather have these. They're so cute. Just saying.
Just saying.
Let's go. So we got in line early for the Jungle Book show at 10:30, and we're literally the third and fourth people in line. So I think we're gonna get really good seats.
Las Vegas? We're also going to go get ice cream.
Hopefully. We barely found this place, so wish us luck. We had time for ice cream. I'm so excited. Caitlin's gonna Instagram that. I bet she's gonna Instagram that. Yep. I'm so excited. And the theater is like empty right now. And there's Caitlin. And there's me. There's a Jungle Book. Well, almost. People are here. I don't know what you're gonna do, but it's gonna be awesome.
East, family in the west, look well. The jungle that surrounds us is filled with a reflection of life. Tonight we take to the water and bow to the divine in you, to honor the place where spirit lives.
जाना जान यार सजाना मैं जाना जाना जान बल सजाना मैं
worries in your strife and those bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I could be fond of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. Look on the